Today, we will be talking about gold of productivity tips from the bestseller, The 4-Hour Workweek. If you've ever felt bogged down by a 9-to-5 schedule, this video is a must-watch. Stick around as we uncover how to liberate your schedule and multiply your productivity. Let's start with a quick overview. The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss challenges the traditional work-retire model. It's all about optimizing your life to achieve maximum output with minimum input. Sounds intriguing, right? Now, on to the first major takeaway. Define your fears instead of your goals. Tim suggests a powerful reversal of conventional thinking. Most of us list our dreams and goals. But what if we listed our fears instead and tackled those? Imagine the freedom in overcoming what actually holds you back. Think about it and maybe jot down one major fear you want to conquer. Moving on to the second tip. Apply the 80-20 rule everywhere. You might have heard of this before. It's about finding the 20% of efforts that lead to 80% of results. Take a moment and think about your daily tasks. Which ones really push the needle? Focus on those and cut away the rest. This isn't just professional. Apply it to hobbies and relationships too. Next up we have outsourcing life, automation, and liberation. Wouldn't it be great to have less on your plate that you don't enjoy? Tim discusses outsourcing mundane tasks to virtual assistants. Have you ever thought about how much your time is worth? If you can hire someone to do tasks cheaper than your hourly rate, why not do it? This ranges from grocery shopping to handling emails. Now, let's talk mini-retirements. Why wait until you're 65 to enjoy life? Tim introduces the concept of taking mini-retirements throughout your life. Instead of one long retirement at the end, sprinkle in several sabbaticals. This can be both refreshing and eye-opening. What's one place you would travel to if you took a mini-retirement right now? All right, integrating all these. The importance of asking for forgiveness, not permission. Sometimes, to innovate, you need to bend the rules. If you're not causing harm, stepping forward without waiting for a yes can open new paths. Where could you apply this in your life today? Wow! Time flies when you're extracting life-changing advice. Remember, working smarter, not harder, is key. Implement just one of these tips this coming week and observe the changes. Like, share, and comment below on which tip you plan to try first. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll decode another productivity hack.